This Makita 12 inches dual-bevel sliding compound miter saw with laser combines capacity, accuracy, and efficient dust extraction in a more compact size, with a unique two-steel rail sliding system that offers a reduced footprint for operation flush against a wall. The innovative direct drive gearbox and guard system are engineered for increased vertical cutting capacity of baseboard 6¾ inches and crown molding 8 inches nested. It will also make 15 inches crosscuts at 90 degrees. The saw mitres 0 degrees to 60 degrees left and right, with positive stops at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 31.6 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. The bevel lock is located in the front of the saw for easy access and quick adjustments from 0 degrees to 48 degrees. The saw is powered by a 15-amp direct drive motor with a soft start. A key point of difference: direct drive enables smoother startups and constant power with no belts to slip or replace. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The electric brake provides added convenience. In addition, the electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load for smoother, higher quality cutting. Additional features include a high-quality 60T carbide-tipped blade and a see-through blade guard system for greater visibility of the blade and line of cut. The built-in laser indicates the line of cut whether the blade is turning or not, and offers micro-adjustments for precise left of blade or right of blade cutting. It has dual dust collection ports for improved dust collection capability for use with a bag or vacuum. It also has a large-sized aluminum base that improves the stability of cutting stock for more efficient cutting. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Unique two-steel rail sliding system design offers single slide glide operation. Reduced saw footprint allows operation flush against a wall. Number 2. Increased capacity for up to 8 inches crown molding, 6¾ inches baseboard, and 15 inches crosscuts at 90. Number 3. In front bevel lock for convenient operation. Number 4. Dual dust collection ports provide excellent dust extraction performance. Number 5. The innovative direct drive motor and guard system is engineered for increased vertical cutting capacity 6¾ inches. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.